It is truly magical.
तो क्या
You
किया
got I picked up the issue of daily chores that I need to make kids responsible, that for small little things they used to call maid, and they'll just keep their utensils there only, and for a glass of water also, both of them they used to call maid. So then the second step I focused on that, out of this I'm focusing on that they have to be humane and they have to be self-reliant. And for getting then, step 3 would be one, removing labels, that I have to remove the labels that ये तो करता ही ऐसे है, ये तो मेड को ही आवाजें देता रहता है. Second would be, we as a family need to set an example that we should not call maid for a glass of water. Obviously, because, and we need to keep the utensils, whatever we want them to do, we have to do it first. Then making children responsible, that having that faith that yes, you can do small little things on your own. And in this I can use celebrating failures also, that even if they have done a simple step, a simple thing, that okay, they have started doing this, I can acknowledge that yes, that's a big win. So within a minute I thought that I got the solution to my problem.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Great. इसमें एक छोटा सा
So Nitika, I also had the same experience. जैसे मतलब it was popping up in my head and you said it कि अरे it was magical, 1 minute में पता चल गया. Even I felt that. I picked up something from my relationship with Shashank and that's how it helped me.
So when something is not scheduled for Devam, that's the time when he gets bored, and that is his screen time.
Okay.
So if I am not available to do something with him, that is my problem. My focus from the blue circle is on, I want him to be self-reliant at that time. I want him to be explorer, and I want him to be creative.
Okay. And creative. Perfect. Okay, you got it. Perfect. So everybody's got it. ये सब करने के बाद ना, now whatever you've written self-reliant, you've written communicative, you've written self-confident, somebody would have picked up never give up, somebody would have said कि यार fail हो रहा है, fail. You shouldn't be failing, you should try again. Love, care, empathy, whatever you picked up out of this. Now take a few minutes to look at the outer circle and see that if you want to inculcate or nurture this particular element in the child, what tool can you use and what can you pick up from the outer circle?
Last में कुछ ऐड करूं, मतलब just my experience to
बिल्कुल
say guys.
बिल्कुल
I just, after listening to everyone, I'm just saying, firstly, one word, trust this process yourself. When you blindly trust it, कि boss each and everything learned at Parvarish, कब कौन सी line help कर जाएगी, you don't know. Like, you know, blindly trusting this, what we've been shown. मैं सुशांत को बोल रही थी कि यार वान्या एडोलेसेंस हुई तब समझ में आया कि यार बहुत सारी चीजें तो मिस हो गई थी जो मैंने पेरेंट्स को दी थी. But I only did this. Stakes are lowest. One line took me out of the situation. So, you know, so you don't know which line will, like, जैसे सब कह रहे हैं ना कि अच्छा अब भी start किससे करें, किसी से भी कर दो, मतलब it doesn't matter. Sometime label, but yes, I think Peacock as a diagnose is the first step. मैं सिर्फ ये ऐड करना चाहती थी, always, no matter what situation is, Peacock really works as a diagnose this thing. But I just wanted to thank again Parvarish. I keep coming back and saying मैं परवरिश ही हूँ वैसे तो, but I really wanted to say that it's बता अपना blind faith वो कई बार जब हिलता है ना, जैसे कई लैंग्वेज में कि वो ना हिले ना, so I think everything will be done once you know that this thing works and I can vouch for it. Blindly trust this process and you know तो वो issues शायद challenges दिखेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है आएंगे नहीं, but they'll become a new challenge. अच्छा boss ये वाला है. So before I said कि मैं जा रही हूँ, मेरा time हो गया था, I said I should add this.
Great. Thanks.